friends. So today problem is find first palindromic string in the array. Right. The problem number is 2108. It is easy problem and the problem statement is given an array of strings words. Return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, return an empty string. Right. A string is palindromic if it is reads the same forward and backward. So in this we have to return the palindromic string, right? Palindromic string is if you reverse any string, then you will get the same string. So there is a many approach to find it. Right. The first approach you may think that first reverse the string and then you check that it is string similar and not right. This first approach. Second approach is you check our first character and last character. If they are same, then increment the first character and decrement the last character and then again do same operation, right? Suppose you take two variable start and end. Okay, so you have to put start is equals to 0 and end is equals to the as words of index dot length minus 1. Then it will see a and c are similar. No, it is not palindrome, right? Another is c and r. C and r similar. No. A and a is similar. Yes. D is similar. Yes. Then it is our palindrome. So in that way we will solve this problem. It is optimized way in my perspective. In example you can see here ABC is not palindrome, CAR is not palindrome, ADA is palindrome and we will return ADA. Not palindrome and race car. Race car is first palindrome, not palindrome is not a palindrome. That's why we are not returning that. Hope. And constraint is word dot length. The range of the word dot length is 1 to 100 and words of I dot length is 1 to 100 means what it means, right? This value will not exceed from 10 value, right? And words of the I consist only lowercase English letter, not a uppercase. Question can be solved by two pointer string and arrays. If you don't know what is two pointer, so in this problem you will also learn about how to attempt a question in the two pointers approach, right? Okay, let's see the solution. So first of all we take our empty string, right? And we are traversing our words vector right now. As I told you, first point will be C. Then how we will collect our first string, then words of I dot size minus 1, this is the E, and I will be, you can assume that I is equal to the start, right? Okay, so bool palindrome is equal to true. Suppose we are first assuming that this is palindrome, right? Now we are going inside our loop and this is our loop, right? Now we are traversing from J to I, J to E, plus J and decrement E, right? If both are not equals, suppose A and C is not equal, so we will do palindrome false. It is not palindrome, then we break it. There is not necessary to go forward, right? Okay, in that way. And if you pass this for loop completely and you not go inside this if loop, then it consider is this is the palindrome and we will return our answer. And if not of any of them is not palindrome here, then we will return our empty. Okay, now there is another approach is as I told you, you will reverse the array, then you are just traversing. And if my equals, it is the function of C++, right? Begin and r begin. If abc cb is equal, then return this, and else after the for loop return this, right? It is the shortest, right? Third one is first palindrome vector words we will traverse, and what we are doing same approach but different way, right? W is equal to the string r begin and r end and return w as return empty string, correct? Okay, so let's first try to submit this. I hope you understand, right? If you want to be more easy here, so what I will do here, right? Okay, Give me a minute. So here is simple format answer code, right? I convert it into for your understanding and make more easy. What I do here, first of all, I convert is equals to the end and g equals to the start. So what you will understand, our start points to 0 and end points to the last character of the string, and then start also incrementing and end is also decrementing in that way, and start will less than end, right? In that way we are doing checking the palindrome. Okay, fine. Let's try to submit. It works. Fine. 21 days is completed. I hope you like the solution. Press the subscribe button. Fine. Here I will show you. Let's this is solution. It also works, but it takes more amount of time. Fine. It also works. So here we see a third solution of this problem. Stay tuned and please subscribe the button. Press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.